Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. To back up your WhatsApp messages, it's very simple and very easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your WhatsApp. So let's do that. So once you open up your WhatsApp, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see a settings icon over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. Once you tap on the settings icon, it will bring you to this page. On this page, I want you to scroll down and tap on chats. So let's tap on chats. So once you tap on chats, it's going to bring up another page for you. So on this page, I want you to check very well. You're going to see where it says chat backup. So I want you to tap on that chat backup. So once you tap on the chat backup, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, you can see where it says auto backup. So I want you to tap on that auto backup first. So you can see my auto backup is set to weekly, but you can choose anyone you want. If you want your WhatsApp to always back up daily, you can choose daily. If you want it to always back up weekly automatically, you can choose anyone you want on here. Then you want to go back, and if you look very well, you're going to see where they wrote backup now. I want you to tap on that backup now, and all your messages will be backed up to your iCloud successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually back up your WhatsApp message on WhatsApp application. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.